And 3, 2, 1, go.
It's the 8th quarterfinal match, and our Red Alliance won matchup. Blue Alliance trying to take the lead. The prototypes have delivered autonomous gear successfully. They got the rotor spinning, giving them 75 points. Blue Alliance pulling ahead. Red Alliance not able to deliver that autonomous gear, so the Blue Alliance looking good for trying to stay alive. They got one of their 2 gears for that second rotor on the way. It looks like they just need one more, and they're going to have a second rotor spinning on the Blue Alliance. Over on the Red Alliance airship, we already have one rotor going. And the Bay Orangutans, they've got a gear on their machine. They're lowering it onto that davit, and it's up and on. That looks like a second rotor is up and spinning on both alliances. 2 rotors each. Red Alliance up to 95. Blue Alliance in the lead due to that 20-point bonus from Autonomous. Still 100 seconds remaining to play, with a lot of points left to be earned. The Midnight Mechanics delivering a gear successfully to their Red Alliance. They're 1 gear closer to getting their rotor number 3. Blue Alliance 3 gears need left. Looks like both alliances need 3 more gears for that third rotor. Whoever can get that third rotor first is going to be in a very good place. Over on Blue, the 4th dimension, they deliver a gear. That's 2 more gears coming in. Only 1 more gear required for that Blue Alliance. Let's see which our robots can get it. Looks like Blue Alliance, Robotics was over to their retrieval zone to grab that gear. But looks like they're getting some defense deployed from the Bay Orangutans. And it's just under 1 minute remaining. Looks like we got 1 more gear in place on the red. Last gear in place on Blue. That's a third rotor spinning for the Blue Alliance. They're up to 155. They're pulling ahead, trying to stay alive. 45 seconds remaining now. The Bay Orangutans delivering 1 more gear to the Red Alliance. That's a third rotor spinning on the Red Alliance. They're still only down by 20 points. The autonomous gear has made all the difference. We get into our last 30 seconds. This is going to come down to which team can have more robots climb aboard the airships as our pilots release the lines. It's a 20-point game, and climbing's worth 50, so the more robots up, the better. We've got 1 red robot. The Bay Orangutans are ready for takeoff. Robotics ready for takeoff. Power Up ready for takeoff. 2 robots on each. 3 red robots ready for takeoff. That's pushing them ahead. We've lost 1 red robot, not high enough. It needs to stay the light lit. They're back up again as time expires. It's very close. The robot has to keep that light lit, so Red Alliance may have taken it. And we're going to see those airships take flight. Who makes it across the finish line first? Looks like the Red Alliance. Pulling with a score of 290 to Blue Alliance 255. This means our Red Alliance number 3 is going to